Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sanjay Rajvanshi. Today I am going to explain reducing agent and oxidizing agent. Yesterday we have discussed about oxidation and reduction classical concept. According to classical concept, addition of oxygen to a substance is known as oxidation, or you can say removal of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. And opposite of this, here addition of oxygen, so here removal of oxygen. Here removal of hydrogen, so here addition of hydrogen. So we can say addition of hydrogen to a substance and removal of oxygen from a substance is known as reduction. For example, copper oxide plus hydrogen is formed copper plus water H2O. So here H2 converted into H2O, here addition of oxygen. So that's why we can say H2 is oxidized in H2O. So this is your oxidation. And CuO is reduced in copper. Why it is called reduction? Because it removes the oxygen. So removal of oxygen from a substance. This is a substance Cu. From this substance CuO, oxygen be removed. That's why it is called reduction. Now I will explain to you what is reducing agent. Reducing agent is a substance. Reducing agent is a substance which gives hydrogen or gives oxygen is known as reducing agent. Opposite of this is known as oxidizing agent. Here it gives hydrogen and gains oxygen. Interchange these two terms. Gives oxygen and gains hydrogen. So we can say oxidizing agent is a substance which gives oxygen or gains hydrogen is known as oxidizing agent. This oxidizing agent is also called oxidant. This oxidizing agent is also called oxidant. And this reducing agent is also called reductant. Now here in our example, this hydrogen is oxidized in H2O. So this is your reducing agent. Because its oxidization is opposite. It gives hydrogen and gains oxygen. Either gives or gains. So here gains of oxygen, therefore this is known as reducing agent. Now CuO is reduction in copper. So it is lose, gives oxygen. So gives oxygen is called oxidizing agent. So here CuO is as an oxidizing agent. Now I take another example. ZnO plus C. So Z is converted into zinc plus CO. So here now current tell me if ZnO convert into zinc plus CO, so where is oxidation and reduction? Mark it. बोलो भी तो भाई साथ में क्या लिख रहे हो?
Here it is oxidation and it is reduction.
Reduction. Carbon is oxidized in carbon monoxide. Addition of oxygen and here removal of oxygen. So it is reduction.
Yes.
Come here. So carbon add is oxygen. What is your name?
My name is Karan and please subscribe to my search channel Dr. Sanjay Rajvanshi.
So here carbon is oxidized in CO. So this is your oxidation and zinc oxide is reduced in zinc. So it is reduction. So what is the reduction? Removal of oxygen is reduction. So here oxygen will remove. Here oxygen will gain. So this is called your Ra. Ra means reducing agent or reductant. Here I write down Ra. Ra means reducing agent. and ZNO is your oxidizing agent. Here ZNO behaves as an oxidizing agent. Why it is oxidizing agent? Because oxidizing agent gives oxygen or gains hydrogen. So here this ZNO gives the oxygen to carbon. So therefore it is a reducing agent. Now take it another example. MnO2 plus 4HCl is equal to MnCl2 plus 2H2 and Cl2. Yes, Devanshi, please explain here which one is oxidation and which one is reduction.
When MnO2 converts to MnCl2, then it is reduction.
MnO2 is MnCl2. Removal of
Oxygen.
removal of oxygen, and removal of oxygen from a substance is known as reduction. And HCl into Cl2.
This is oxidation.
So HCl into Cl2. Here removal of hydrogen. 4HCl to Cl2, removal of hydrogen. That's why it is called oxidation. And which one is oxidizing agent or which one is reducing agent? Why?
Because it loses oxygen, that is why it is oxidizing agent.
So it gives oxygen. So gives oxygen, that's why it is called oxidizing agent. And it's
Reducing agent.
reducing agent. Why it is reducing agent? Gives hydrogen. Therefore, it is called reducing agent. Okay, thank you. So this is our whole about the oxidation and reduction. Thank you very much.